Today on Panda Garage, we are reviewing the heaviest thing on earth. Welcome to Panda Garage. This is another subpar review. Okay, so what are we reviewing today? This is a very dusty box that's been sitting for a little bit, but I finally got around to actually getting on with it because we've got some stuff coming up that needs this. This is a 3,000 kilo low profile jack from ToolPRO. Another review for SuperCheap Auto. They sent it off and said, Matt, what do you need? And I'm like, I'd love to get your hands on a new jack. So we are testing this out today. Well, we're testing this out in the next video, but this is an unboxing today. So stick around. We're going to see exactly what comes in this box and why is it so damn heavy, because it weighs in at 47 kilos. So it's a big boy. So let's get stuck into it. Let's check out what's in this box. So what do you actually get in this box? Well, obviously it's going to be a jack, but let's open it up. Okay, let's cut this open. By the way, I know I'm using a steak knife, that's all I got, okay? It works, that's the main thing. Alright, so this should slide right off. Whoa! Holy smokes, this thing's huge. Alright, so we come with an instruction manual. Got, I think it's a handle of some kind. That must lock into that spot there. So that uses a screw pretty much. That's a decent sized handle. Nice big rubber grip on it too. That's pretty cool. Right, a bit of foam. Let's get this. Whoa, that is a big mama. I think we might have to call this Big Bertha from now on. So this, just from the box, as you all know, I've got a Monaro, and this was going to fit under the car perfectly because I've always struggled with jacks. We're going to lift it. Sorry for the pose, but bend the knees. Get this battery out. Okay, so this goes as low as 95 mil. And what's it say? When the height rises, it's 550 mil. And the handle length is 1.2 meters. Far out, this is a big unit. So, it looks like you just undo this screw here and chuck this on here. I thought I'd do this review a little bit different. Actually, I'm unboxing it on camera as opposed to the polisher. But that's because I need the polisher really bad at the time, but I thought, you know what, it's a cold, wet day. Let's try it out in the house where it's nice and dry. So I'm going to zoom you guys out so you can actually see a bit more of what this is like. So, what we're going to do, so I think there's like a clip down here. Yeah, it looks like it's holding it in place. Push the hydraulic down, slide that out. Looks like it's, so it holds it in place, but looks like it slides in like that. I don't think it actually tightens in. I read the instructions, but I want to sort of learn this on the fly. How easy is it to use? Now this is an absolute monster compared to my old one. Absolute monster. So this is going to do the job very easily. For comparison, this is my old jack. Look how small it is against the big one. That is tiny. Not only is it sit way higher than the low profile jack, it is a baby. I mean, look at that. That is unbelievable. I couldn't believe it. Like opening that box, like I've known that box over there has been huge and sitting in my lounge room for about a month, but to have it compared to my old jack is insane. Let's test out this thing. Let's see what it does. And let's see how... Okay, so let's see how high this jack actually goes and the difference. Actually, you know what? I'll get this jacked up, then we're going to jack up this little one and we're going to see how high this one goes compared to that. I have a feeling that this is like a no-brainer. Let's twist this out first. Here we go. So there's a screw at the back that you've got to untwist and then retwist to hold this into place. That makes more sense now. Now let's see. By the way, this like got a 2 piston sort of setup on the back here. Hydraulic sort of setup. I have a feeling you've got to like twist it. There we go. There we go. Got to twist it clockwise to get it to work. And this is so easy to jack up. Wow. This is actually really good. This is awesome. I'm so used to my old little one that I've had that for 5 years. Oh, this goes really high up. I don't think I'm ever going to have my Monaro up this high, but this would be great on like a 4-wheel drive, say. All right, so that's maxed out. That's maxed out. That's the height. Now, let's speed up the little one. It's a rickety old little thing, but it's served me well. That's the maximum height. So as you can see, that's quite the difference. So, whereas like this little one has like a little pin on the side here that you twist and then it releases down, I believe that if you twist this handle anti-clockwise, there it goes. Drop it all the way down. That is so easy to use. Like, that is like the basic sort of like startup one. But holy smoke, this one is so much easier to use. It's so simple, so straightforward. I'm really impressed. That is so cool. Okay, so that's my review of this 3,000 kilo jack. Thank you all so much for watching. My first impressions of this thing is it's incredibly impressive, and that, I mean, it works so well and it's so easy to use. Yeah, I'm absolutely stoked on the unboxing of this. Is so cool, but we've got to test it, and that's the main thing. So stay tuned for the next video on that. Remember to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, the Panda Garage. Check out, if you are looking to get a jack like this, or you want to have a look at the jack, just check the link down below. Special thanks to SuperCheap Auto for sending this out to me again. Appreciate it greatly that they give the support to the channel, and hopefully you guys do too. Check it out. So until next time, guys, my name's Matt. This is Panda Garage, subpar reviews, and I'll see you guys next time.